Oh my God, an elephant. How did it get down there? Police, please listen. I need help. An elephant fell into a well. We will be there soon.
We have a confirmed incident in the North Zone. Mobilize air support.
Send rescue teams to the coordinates now.
All units mobilize. We have a confirmed breach at Sector Gamma. Move now.
Field unit, the target is the ancient well. I am transmitting the coordinates now. Move in.
Get the reinforcement straps. Pull the cable clear.
Mats are loaded. Is the harness ready?
Almost. Let's get this outside. Go fast! We need to get there now! Whoa, hold position at the well. We are 2 minutes out.
Faster, she won't last long.
I am here. Come quickly. The elephant is in the well. Sir, what happened? The elephant fell inside. It's trapped. Please help. Secure. Secure the perimeter meter now. Nobody crosses this line. Set the main pulley here. Lower it slowly. Careful with the rope.
I see it now. It's deep in the mud.
We need to get it out quickly. Anchor secured. Ready for pulley line. Pull, pull. Check the tension on the main line. It's secure. Bring the pulley over. Strap secured. Ready for the lift. Strap secure. Start pulling. Test pull. Light tension. Checking load. Increase to level 190. Steady pull. Keep it steady. Hold your lines. Balance the lift. Lower slowly. Keep it centered. Clear the straps. Keep space. No fractures. Swelling moderate.
Surface scrapes only, no open wounds.
Breathing steady. It's weak but stable. I've got the kit. Start cleaning the wound area. Surface injuries only, no bleeding. Easy, it's just cleaning. You're okay. Pain relief ready. Vital stabilizing. She's responding well.
Easy, girl, you're okay.
Blood pressure stable. Drink slowly, you're safe now. You're okay, thank God you're okay. Thank you for saving her.
We're just doing our duty, sir.
Okay, smile.
Our Savior has come. Celebrate the kindness of the forest. Celebrate the harvest. Celebrate the light. The gods have been kind.